Packet Tracer using commands to test network functionality. The objective is to describe various tools and methods used to validate that the design is working as anticipated. So, the first thing I have to do is to console the switch and the configuration. So from PC1, we have to go to so I think we have to do PC1. Now we have to enable the switch 1 plus, and so in switch 1 we have to show running config, and let's say configuration, and let's try show IP interface brick, and this is the status of the IP configuration is down up. Okay, and now I need to check the version, and so this is the version of the configuration value of the switch, and we have to check show CDP neighbors to show the information displayed, so that router 1, router 2, you can see. Now I need to show CDP neighbors detail to show the information that is displayed. So let's try that. And now the last thing I have to do is, in step 1, is to list an IP address that I can use to reach router 1. So you have to ping the router 218. Take a look at what's the IP address of router 1. Okay, so the IP address of router 1 is things like here. So 192.168, let's do that 140F also is successful. We have to download the router and configuration. From PC1, this is PC1. I already pinged the IP address of router 1, and now we have to download to router 1. So we have to go down it. The password would be so, and have to type the showing config, good. So this is the command here, and now we have to show IP interface brick to show the command display, and we have to try the show IP route. Oh, show version first. What version? And this version, and show IP route to see the command display. Let's take a look how they are shown. IP protocols. So these are the IP protocols with the command display. Now let's try IP EIGRP neighbors. Okay, IP EIGRP neighbors. There. And now let's issue from this show IP EIGRP topology. And this is the information here. So these are the configuration of the EIGRP topology. And the last command that we're going to show is show CDP neighbors detail. And that's the neighbor devices. So this is neighboring devices. So I'm not going to do everything because it's pretty much the same to check every router. And this is pretty much redundant connection. See, can you see that? So this is the activity for using commands to test network function.